Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Tena Istilin. आज इथोपिया की इस महान धरती पर आप सबके बीच होना मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Tena Istilin. It's an immense privilege for me to be here among you today on the great land of Ethiopia. I arrived in Ethiopia only this afternoon, and from the very moment I set foot here, I have been touched by the extraordinary warmth and affection showered on me by the people of Ethiopia. The Honorable Prime Minister himself received me at the airport and drove me to the Friendship Park and museum. This evening, I had substantive discussions with the leadership on important issues. All of this has been a truly unforgettable experience.
ये सब अपने आप में एक अविस्मरणीय अनुभव है. अभी अभी मुझे ग्रेट ऑनर निशान ऑफ इथोपिया के रूप में इस देश का सर्वोच्च सम्मान प्रदान किया गया है.
Friends, I have just been conferred the great honor of Nishan of Ethiopia, the highest honor of this country. To be honored by one of the world's most ancient and rich civilizations is a matter of immense pride for me. On behalf of all the people of India, I accept this honor with utmost humility and gratitude. This honor belongs to the countless Indians who have helped shape our partnership.
यह सम्मान उन अनगिनत भारतीयों का है जिन्होंने हमारी साझेदारी को आकार दिया. 1896 के संघर्ष में सहयोग देने वाले गुजराती व्यापारी हो.
These countless Indians include Gujarati traders who extended support during the struggle of 1869, the Indian soldiers who fought for Ethiopia's liberation, and the Indian teachers and entrepreneurs who have contributed to nation building through education and investment. This honor equally belongs to every Ethiopian citizen who place their faith in India and enrich this relationship with heartfelt goodwill.
भारत पर विश्वास रखा और इस संबंध को हृदय से समृद्ध किया. आज इस अवसर पर मैं अपने मित्र
Friends, on this occasion, I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to my friend, Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed Ali. Excellency, when we met last month on the sidelines of the G20 summit in South Africa, you very warmly, insistently, with love and authority, invited me to Ethiopia. How could I have possibly declined such an affectionate invitation from a dear friend and brother, or delayed my visit? That's why, at the very first opportunity, I decided to come to Ethiopia.
इसलिए पहला मौका मिलते ही मैंने इथोपिया आने का निश्चय कर लिया. फ्रेंड्स, ये विजिट अगर नॉर्मल डिप्लोमेटिक तौर तरीके से होती,
Friends, had this visit followed normal diplomatic procedures, it may have taken much longer to fruition. But it was your love and warmth that drew me to Ethiopia in just a matter of 24 days.
यहां खींच के ले आया. आज जब पूरे विश्व की नजर ग्लोबल साउथ पर है,
At a time when the world's attention is focused on the global south, Ethiopia's timeless traditions of dignity, independence, self-respect serve as a powerful source of inspiration for all of us.
सशक्त प्रेरणा है. ये सौभाग्य की बात है. इस महत्वपूर्ण कालखंड में इथियोपिया की बागडोर
It is indeed fortunate that at this critical juncture, the reins of Ethiopia are in the hands, capable hands of Dr. Abiy. With his vision of Bedemma and his commitment to development, the manner in which he is guiding Ethiopia on the path of prosperity stands as a shining example for the whole world. Whether it's environmental protection, inclusive development, or strengthening unity in a diverse society, I deeply appreciate his efforts, initiatives, and steadfast commitment.
एकता बढ़ाना उनके प्रयास, प्रयत्नों और प्रतिबद्धता की मैं हृदय से सराहना करता हूं। भारत में हमारा मानना रहा है कि सा विद्याया विमुक्तये।
Friends, in India we say Sa Vidyaya Vibhuktate. This means knowledge liberates. Education is the foundation of any nation, and India takes pride in the fact that the greatest contribution to India-Ethiopia relations has come from our teachers. Ethiopia's great culture drew Indian teachers to this land, and our teachers were bestowed with the singular privilege of nurturing several generations of Ethiopians. Even today, many Indian faculty members continue to serve in Ethiopian universities and higher education institutions.
इथोपियन यूनिवर्सिटीज और हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस में अपनी सेवाएं दे रहे हैं। भविष्य उन्हीं पार्टनरशिप का होता है।
Friends, the future belongs to partnerships built on vision and trust. We wish to advance such a cooperation with Ethiopia, a cooperation that addresses evolving global challenges and also creates new opportunities. Once again, on behalf of 1.4 billion Indians, I extend my very best wishes to all the people, all the respected people of Ethiopia.
140 करोड़ भारतीय नागरिकों की ओर से बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू। आम सागनालो।